Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I want to do a album share with you. It's something I made, and I want to share it with you. I did use the 12 by 12 collection kit from Simple Stories, My Story, and I used the chipboard frames, their color vibe cardstock, and most of the collection. I got stamps, but I haven't put the stamps in here yet. But yeah, I just want to share it with you guys. All right, I did use one of their binders, one of their 6x8 binders. Oh, this collection is really sweet. So here I just glued, probably like right in through there, and backed it with black, and so you could stick your photograph behind here. And I did a couple of enamel dots. Probably can't even see them. And this is our cover page where you can tell your story. And I did use whole reinforcements. I like the look that it gives. I just distress them with a Tim Holtz ink. You can get these at Walmart. And I use black and craft cardstock. And I had the 6x8 paper pad, the sticker book, ephemera pieces. But oh, turned out so cute, so cute. And it's interactive. It has pull-outs and flips and flaps and pockets. And that just goes back underneath there. And I left that open for a photograph. And then this opens up. So here you could put your picture. You could journal here or put pictures here. Add a journaling spot. Oh, it just turned out so cute. And then here, this flips. And then that flips. Then here I just made I had to get it in both rings, so it'd be stable. And I come up with this cute little and then here, this is a pull out here. I just glued the picture on 3 sides. I did leave this open, so if you wanted to stick something here, you could. And then here's another pull out, and I just drew some lines on it. Wow. Oh, it goes back behind there. I was trying to stick it somewhere else. And then we have this here. And I just put some twine so you can pull it out a little bit easier. Then that flips. Lots of room for photographs. And this flips open. And then this flips open. I just used washi tape. And that opens. And I left that open for your photograph. So lots of room for photographs. But I hope this inspires you to create something like this. And I use the tags and journaling spots from the collection. And again, I just glued 3 sides and used washi tape. Then here you have some tags here. And I haven't stamped on. I got a set of stamps to go with it, but I haven't done any of my stamping yet. I should have done it before I done this album share. And then this side you have some pull-outs as well. And then here, this flips out for this. Yeah, you have to let me know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to answer your questions or to read your comments that you leave me. Very cute. And this has a little pull out here. Uh-oh, did I glue that? Oh, no, it's just, I meant for it. It's more or less a turning tab. I'm like, man, did I glue that? Yeah, it's glued in there. But it was meant for a turning tab. So here you have some pull-outs. But a very cute collection to tell your story. Very cute. And this only took me, probably 10 hours altogether to create this. And like I said, I did use the black and the craft to, attach all my pages to. And again, I just kind of use the washi tape for accents. Here you have another pocket. See, full of pockets. Who doesn't love pockets? And then you have a pocket on this side. Again, I use the washi tape. But a very fun, interactive album. Here we have a belly band. And we have a little booklet that pulls out. And then I cut out a couple of things from the collection. And this book is held with washi tape. I got washi tape strips in here. And that just goes down in this pocket. And then here we have a couple of pullouts. And those just go back down in the pocket. And then that just slides back underneath the belly band. And there is the very back of the album. So very cute. It would probably hold, I'm going to guess, probably around 50 photos, if not maybe 70 photos. But very cute. And I wanted to share it with you. That way, might give you some inspiration or help give you some ideas. I just love sharing my projects with you. All right. That is my album share for my 6x8 binder album. I love doing these, especially when, you got a binder to put it in. I love it. I love it. All right, guys. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss out. And we'll be seeing you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.